Hello everyone, I'm going to explain experiment number 3, simple linear regression. In this first import pandas, this part is for import pandas library using for reading and handling dataset and read the Toyota dataset from the CSV file into data frame called data and displays first 5 rows to check dataset structure. And now in this part is for column how many missing values exist in each column and removes rows containing missing values and reset row numbering after deleting rows and shows the cleaned data set. And now in this print is for prints all future names available and this is for independent variable and dependent variable converts column into numpy arrays. And now both print is for print first 5 values for verification and this import part. Now this import part is calculates average value of x and y and computes slope using formula and calculates the intercept and displays regression parameters and applies regression equation of y equal to b0 or plus b1 of x. And this last print shows first prediction of the given data set. Now this SSE is for sum of square errors like a prediction errors and this prints total number of samples and this RMSE is for root mean square error and total variance in the actual data set and R square is for model accuracy and this SST. And now this import part is for library for visualization and plots actual data and draw best fit line and displays the graph. And now this new input, this part is for fixed price for km equal to 10 and all those things. And predict y for the input. 10 is like this some values from the Toyota data set. And now from this is for multiple linear regression. And this import data set is for importing the data set from the data set of and now this is the multiple linear data set regression and this loads the data set again and this y this part is for target variable and multiple input features and this print is for checks data type and converts text category into numbers. Now this print is for printing the index value of index print the data which present in the column and this y is for price and this data is for age of km like this something and this prints the head x head and y head and type of the x and type of the d type of the y. And now mm, and now this prints the x copy of the given dataset and x local of the given dataset. And now this import part is for train model and creates regression model. And now this SAC is for error calculation or automatic RMSE and accuracy score. Now prediction for this new input is the value which present in the thing. And this for column is for part 3 that regression logistics regression from scratch and looks through all columns and if the text fills with the mode, if numerical fills with the mean and converts the categorical numbers and normalize the data for the faster learning and this trains and this normal data for faster learning and 80% of training and 20% of testing. Now, this def part is for converts output to probability of 0 to 1, calculates the logistic log, and in like initial weights like prediction, error calculation, gradient computation, and weight updation. Now, this theta line is for learns optimal parameters, and this shows learning progress. Now, this part is for and this part is for shows learning progress of the given data set and probability class of 0 or 1 and calculates the model accuracy. Now, this is for calculates the model accuracy of the given data set. Thank you.